This is how you make the very loud popping noise with your paper. So you have a blank sheet of paper, and then any side you can just fold it in half to make a crease. So you don't need to use your nails, just, like do this, and then open it back up, and then you can fold to the middle line, and there you go. That's the first step, this. And then you can see the big flap. Just fold it down, like see here. Just to this line, like fold it down all the way, so it just looks like this. And then from your first fold, you made a crease, so you can just fold the crease. But you might not have the crease. But anyways, now you have this. You'll find two like flaps, and take the ones in the middle, put it up, and then you hold here, these two, and then that was a fail. That was a total disastrous fail. Okay, that's my cat. That was another fail. Try this. There, that's a good one. Okay, if you want to see it again, just if you want to reload, you just fold it back down, and then that's all. That's all you have to do for folding. And then do the thing I taught you earlier. You hold on to here. So if you didn't get it, you'll see this. If you're correct, fold one of them, pull the other. But you don't really have to pull two. You just have to pull one. And then you can go. That wasn't a... Oh, sorry. This is my cat's tail. Okay. Again, I'll show you again. We fold this, fold that, and then out here. And then there, a big one. That was a big one. A big one. If you want to hear it again, just go again. You want to hear a big one? Well, got a big one for you. Also get you a louder one too, just like this. Might have hit my cat's tail, so that is my biggest one yet.